Hi, I'm Education Specialist Gwen Roth with the Hamilton County Conservation District, and we're going to talk to you today all about rain barrels, how to set them up, how to maintain them, and what they're for. So this is a rain barrel, exactly what I'm talking about. And a rain barrel is just that. It's a barrel that captures rain. So normally our rainwater would run off into our stormwater systems and be wasted. So we can actually hook up a rain barrel to our downspouts and collect all that water and use it to water our plants. It's like having free water. And here's my colleague, Erin Habig, to tell us all about how to set up and maintain our rain barrels.
So now that we've got the barrel in the diverter kit home, we need to figure out what's the best place to install the rain barrel. You want to have it someplace, obviously next to a downspout. Is it near the area where you're going to need the water? And are there any regulations on where you're allowed to put it from either an HOA or local municipality? So now that we've found a suitable location to install a rain barrel, you want to make sure you have a good stable base. A full rain barrel can weigh over 400 pounds, so you need to make sure that if you're putting on a deck, that it's rated for that weight. If you're putting on a patio, anything else, it's a nice level location. Ideally, if you can put it on a raised platform, you're going to be able to use more water. So once we have the location picked out that we want to install the rain barrel, we need to look at the downspout and figure out which size it is, because that will determine on how you install the diverter. The downspout here is a 4x3 inch. The other common size is a 3x2 inch. The 4x3 inch downspout, the diverter gets installed on the side. On the 3x2 inch, the diverter will get installed on the front. So to install the diverter in the downspout, you're going to need a drill, a proper size hole saw, your diverter, and safety glasses. So we have the two common size downspouts so that we can show you which way you will need to install the diverter depending on what size downspout you have. The hole for the diverter will be drilled in the 3-inch face of the downspout. For the 3-inch by 4-inch, this will be the side, and the 2-inch by 3-inch, it will be the front of the downspout. You will need to mark the center point of the side to be drilled and start drilling the hole. So to install the diverter, you want to make sure that the cup side is facing up. You'll want to squeeze the diverter, fit it through the hole. Be careful, these edges are very sharp. Wiggle it and get it in place. Once the diverter is in place and it's screwed in, then you can connect your pipe. And now that the barrel's on its stable base, you can make the final connection of the pipe to the barrel. So most rain barrels are going to come with 2 ports that you can install your spigot in. The top port is if you cannot put it on a raised location, and allows you to install the spigot here and still be able to access the water. If you can do it in a raised position, you want to put the spigot on the bottom port because it gives you that much more usable volume of water in the barrel. So now that we've been using the rain barrel all season, it's getting to be fall, it's time to go ahead and think about winterizing the rain barrel. First thing you want to do is make sure you drain all the water out of it. Second thing is disconnect your connection to the downspout, cap the hole in the downspout, clean out any residue that's in the bottom of the barrel, and then find a place to store the barrel for the winter.
We hope you found our video informative and now you feel comfortable installing your own rain barrel at your house. You can always check out our website for more information, and a special thank you to Erin Habig for going through the steps with us today.